This is the wood chipper we got split with the other people on the property, which can be really useful for cleaning up a lot of brush. After clearing a big area, there's so much. You could burn it all, but it would take a while, and it's useful throwing in here for wood chips, especially if you have an area like this, which I've noticed gets super dusty. I don't know if you could see it just from the dogs walking around. Dirt just starts flying up everywhere. Especially because this is covered by this tarp, so the rain never gets down there to dampen it. Like out here, that's probably coming off my... out here is not as bad. You can see the color difference in the dirt because this never gets any rain, and just a little bit of walking spreads the dirt everywhere, so it's really annoying. So you need, I think wood chips will be way better, because I've been getting a layer of dirt on everything just because dirt's constantly flying everywhere, and I'm breathing it in. I think I'm having an allergic reaction to that as well. So I really wanted to get some wood chips down, especially here, and then also probably all around here, because when it rains it's really muddy. So I put wood chips everywhere. It's a lot nicer to just walk around. And that's the area I plan to assemble the tiny house. I don't think I need wood chips there, but yeah, I'll start loading all the small twigs in there, and then whatever's too big, which for this too big is like around 4 to 6 inches diameter, I think. Whatever's too big is saved for firewood, so use up everything really well. So there's a lot to go here. I probably won't do it all now, but we'll see how much I clear and how much wood chips that makes. I think you don't get as much wood chips as you'd think, at least based on the other site. And then I'll probably also chop down this big tree, which is kind of sad, but it's blocking a lot of sunlight from my panels. I think I'll end up keeping panels over in this area because it's got the best clearing of a sky right across in the summer, and then later in the fall and winter the sun will be lower, but there won't be all the leaves, so those trees in the background won't be a big deal. But this one's blocking a lot of sunlight in the midday of summer, so I could be getting a lot more power. So I'll probably chop that tree and then end up shipping up all those branches as well. But I'll make updates on that later. Here's the final result for now of the wood chipper. Covered everything from what I did, and it looks pretty good. Do way better than dirt flying everywhere. And this is how much it cleared, if you can tell from the previous video how much brush there was before. So there's a lot that went in there and just turned into a small amount of floor space, but that's good for getting rid of a lot of brush. And I realized like medium-sized sticks, they can go through, but they're kind of hard on the machine. They're kind of better for saving for campfires, I think. And then everything bigger than that, like all these sizes, would not go through. But yeah, these are all good for firewood. So these are the bigger ones I saved up together and used for firewood layers or wood stove maybe. Anyway, that's it for the wood chipper for now.